What is up, YouTube? It's another day, y'all. We got the 240 out. On the way to the homie's house. We're finna put on a new exhaust on the 240. We put a new exhaust on the 240. Let's go. And so I'm not gonna say what kind of exhaust it is. I'm just gonna show y'all. Hey, like if you know, you know. Yeah, it's gonna be some ISR blast pipes. So yeah, we gonna blast pipes. Know that. You know, regular schmeg, ain't nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all there. All right, y'all, so this is what the exhaust sound like right now. Yeah. Oh my gosh, my legs. Leg day was yesterday. So from the look of things, it looks like this is just the resonator delete and muffler delete with tips, obviously. So yeah, this is again a barely used exhaust. So. Oh my gosh, this thing is heavy. So, I mean, no scrapage under, like, it's like brand new. So, yeah, mainly. Not no more. Now it's getting cold. Just cut. Now it's getting cold. Just cut trees and stuff like that. Like, is that like 20? Like, of course, every 6 months you go back up. Yeah, it is pop out. I think it's like 25 or so. Or like close to it. Like 24 with some change.
So I'm getting shit. Can I work the damn, what did I do in like?
I can't remember. Might have been.
My gear now went in.
It's on the, it's right for the resonator right here.
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
And then there's another one, there's a couple of little spots starting right here.
Yeah. Wow. Exhaust leaks on exhaust leaks.
No, you got the boyfriend and the one she says not to worry about.
Yeah, so this is the old exhaust, and then so you can see, yeah, this is definitely a whole lot different than the factory exhaust. Well, shoot, in the meantime, y'all, you finna give me a ride in the JZX. Yeah, so they said this car makes 340-ish. It makes 340-ish, and it's a 1J. So we're gonna see what it's talking about. Yeah, this feels fast. This feels really fast. And it's so smooth. This is way smoother than my car. That is crazy. Oh my, and then you can hear the blow-off valve and the turbo, like they sound so good. Oh shoot.
Right there. I really shouldn't be doing this. I need gas.
Oh my gosh. And it's taking the corners too? Wow.
It needs more suspension, but I mean, it handles pretty good.
You got strut bars in
Yeah,
this?
front rear.
Okay.
Front rear, I got front rear upgraded sway bar bushings on stock sway bars, and then I did adjustable end links in the front.
stopped to get some gas in the Mark II. Yeah, this Mark II is crazy, y'all. Like, for what it is, it feels like it makes 500. It feels like it, but it's still like streetable. It don't feel like no drag. Like, it's like a smooth VIP 500 horsepower. Feel like a 500 horsepower like JDM car. All right, what's left?
So the only thing left is put the 2 bolts on the rest of the exhaust, and then the last hanger. We've got the 3 hangers on the back already put on, so next 5 minutes should have a first start.
Oh yeah. That might.
Oh my God. Yo. Bro, it is so loud. It is so loud.
Let it run for a couple seconds.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. That is way too loud. That is way too loud.
I don't like blast pipes on all motor cars.
Yeah. What it do, YouTube? It's another day. Hey, more content. Another day, more content. Look, we on the way to meet up with the homie. It's really my coworker. So me and him finna go and cruise up to this car shop. They're doing a little car event, so we gonna see what that's talking about. Shoot, y'all, we just pulled in. We filling up on some healthy 93. There go the homie. Wow, they looks too good. Oh my gosh, there's so many Japanese cars. There's so many Supras. A few Lexus out here. Another Supra, Skyline. There's another IS over here. This Supra is just crazy. Like, yo, right-hand drive too. Bro, this color is crazy. Like, wow. This is so sick. Wow. Okay, nice little RB. Okay. E92. Fire. Yeah, that's an IS right here. Sick. Wow. Wow. This is crazy. Got a nice GS over here. Look like it's lowered. Wow. I see they got this little door over here and everything. Finna see what's in here. It's like a garage. Look, first thing you walk into, a Supra, a Turbo G, another Supra, another Supra. It's so many, it's so much to look at in here. This Supra has, oh my gosh, look at this. A Turbo G? Turbo Infinity? What? It looks so tight, man. Shout out to these, to whoever worked on this car. Shout out to them, because I know it was, everything in here is super tight. Like, man, that is crazy. I think it's a carbon hood too on here, I think. Oh yeah, it is, yep. Yep. Wow. It looks like this engine bay is so clean. Like, where's the wires? Like, this is so. It's crazy how clean this engine bay is. It's crazy. Another Supra. Oh, it's limited edition. It's a 15th anniversary right here. Wow. This thing is just crazy. Okay, this look more factory right here. This looks a little bit more okay. Because this one is so like wire tucked and everything. It's clean, open. Okay.
All it has, I think, is a Grady high power on it. I think that's it.
Wow. This is so crazy. A 34 over here, like what?
That's the rarest car you'll see sitting above it.
You got the Evo wagon, fully adjustable suspension, everything. Giant 3-inch exhaust. What is this? Tomei? Wow. Crazy. These are wide body fenders, right? Wow. Okay.
You wanna? No, maybe this one actually is a GTR. I got told this is a GTT.
What?
Yeah, I got told it's a
A
GTT.
34 GTT? No, that makes sense though.
But,
I think 34s do come in GTTs.
So bring the camera here. Let me let everybody know. So the common things on 34s, everybody always wants to say GTR. They have metal and fiberglass over fenders for these cars. Now, I'm not going to touch this car because it was just recently painted. So I don't know if those are metal or not. But another common thing, looking here, if it's got 3 gauges sitting there, it's not a GTR. This is your heads-up display for a GTR. If it doesn't have that, it's not a real GTR.
Oh.
There's very common little things. Like you might see in wide body, but if it has 3 gauges up there, it's not a GTR.
Wow.
That's why I always tell people, when you look at these specific cars, to me as a purist, you know I love these cars. I'm an enthusiast with this car.
Yeah.
So when I hear people go, oh, yeah, this is a real GTR. Now I'm saying, I'm not just using an example.
Yeah.
But most people are like, oh yeah, it's just GTR. No, it's not. Like, you're disrespecting the GTT to make it get a GTR.
Yeah.
It is what it is. And you gotta need to the 25s.
Yeah.
And you know me, I prefer a 25 over a 6.
But you're saying, like, claim what you are.
Yeah,
claim what you got.
Claim what it is. If you got a GTT, bro, claim what it is, bro.
Yeah.
Like, there's no hate against it.
For real.
And plus, some of these, you can get them all-wheel drive, non-GTR.
Non-GTR?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Now, that one, I would
that.
do the GTR conversion.
These side skirts are fire, too.
If you got a rear-wheel drive GTT, claim you got a rear-wheel drive GTT.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, check this one out when you get a set.
All right. Look at that rear end. Wow. This is so crazy. What type of carbon is this? It's like a camo carbon. What? Is that like Kevlar? Like. Oh yeah, that's cool. Custom tag on there, too. There's so much to look at. Okay, let me look at these over here. Wow. So cool. Oh, yeah, I remember that single turbo, right? Yeah, it's a big old turbo in there. Yeah, this is the homie. I met him before. There you go.
Yeah, I think you gotta start the dyno. I hear them coming.
Nice. There's so much to look at. Oh, it got the 240? So my car could be like this? My 40?
I wouldn't help you if you put LS in it.
Yeah.
Why?
I promise you, you won't like it.
What's wrong with it?
You'll enjoy the...
He's on that.
Paid $40K for
He
this?
said that's what they go for. I don't know what he paid.
These go for 40? I can't believe that.
He's going for in the 40s.
This super clean interior though. Wow. Sunroof too? Wow. white smoke right there. That was crazy. Yeah, so they're trying to figure out what's going on with the car. So, let's see. Yeah, that thing is sick. It's crazy. Oh my gosh.
But that's just like the 8 HP 7 from the Dodge. We fit the bitches in our S13.
Did y'all see the one in Florida, the two all-wheel drive JZ cars? One was the red S14. That car rides out. The all-wheel drive S14 with a 2.
It's came a long way. I've had it for around 4 years now.
So the flip that they put in there.
It's a BMW color. It's called carbon black, but so it already has flake in it. But
I'm talking about this flip, the color.
yeah, that the bigger flake, that's called holographic flakes. So they're way thicker. I mean, the front bumper's KBD, but other than that, everything is fiberglass. Like body wise, like
So
the side skirts are, the fenders are, it's wide body pieces, rear bumper. But that's it was blue, yeah. Okay.
Adam's on it. Also,
Okay.
factory, that's the GTT badge in the bumper too.
I've never seen that before. So everybody, this is a GTT badge. I've never seen that before. That is so crazy. So this is that same Supra that was just on the dyno. We're about to see what's going on with it. Look at that suspension, man. Everything has been touched. Literally everything's been painted, touched, every lines. Wow. This is crazy. There's some money on this car. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy. Yeah. That is crazy. Oh, everybody's laughing. What was it? What was that?
176, 180.
What? What?
You got lane Supra in there. What about this?
Got another Supra. Either 5 flat or 510, 520. It doesn't. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does.
I never seen under the hood.
But. I told y'all, 600 flat, 6 flat. I'm telling y'all, 6 flat. I'm right, aren't I? Does that say 3? Ain't no way there's 3. Ain't no way that's 300. Ain't no way that's 300 horsepower. Okay. Okay. 470.
When the fuck am I gonna use it? I'd rather
Yeah.
use it on the car.
Wow. This setup is crazy.
Oh, old school precision turbo?
Yeah, old school precision. But it's a 6262 ball bearing.
Okay.
Yeah. It works. It
Wow.
Man. Good God.
Yeah, I drive it every day, you know.
Shit,
This
this
is the
thing's gonna
daily.
catch COVID with all that shit.
Wow.
Bring that one back.
In the fitment, look at this. Y'all, check this fitment. Ooh. It's even got water just sitting in there.
That's metal, bro.
Wow. They don't even. Wait, so. This is wide body, right?
Custom flares, metal. All metal.
Because this don't look like original SC lines. And this metal too, that is crazy. And this is the office. Wow. They had a shop fire. Jeez, I was told that's an ICE 300 wagon right there. Yeah. This is so crazy. Little guy. Got a little transformer over here. Yeah, so this is the office area. Super cool. You come out here, then you see all the crazy cars. Like, jeez. Alright, probably about to dip. Me and the homie. Like that SC and that G80 over there. Yeah, I got another Supra about to leave. Well, two Supras leaving, actually. Shoot. Bye-bye. We heading out. We headed home. Yeah, that's a wrap. Tell me why, as I'm driving, I see a whole Supra pull up behind me. Look. I know y'all see that. I know y'all see that. That might be the same Supra that makes like over 1,000 horsepower that y'all just seen earlier. Like, that is so crazy.